Hi everybody, I'm Peter from Off-Road Electric and you are watching the teardown process of the first Tatra, which we are going to use for our monster truck build, and this is episode 25. Sponsored by our wonderful Patreon patrons who help to support this channel and people who purchase our t-shirts. If you don't know what the Patreon is, go down the link below and you can support us as low as $1 a month. Last time we disconnected the front axle, it was pretty difficult. I think the rest will be easier. Today we will take off this tube and this transmission and this tube and perhaps much more. But first we are going to drain the oil out from the transmission and from this tube in this spot. And the tube. Oh, there is almost no oil for this differential. I'm curious what shape is in the differential in.
Ano, povídej.
Nic nebudu povídat.
Aha, dobře, ano, mám.
Jo. We have some problems with communication. That's actually, when I think about that, it's pretty normal. And now we will unscrew the nuts from the flange. We'll try old school. I have bad memories since I used it last time. It looks like this will go easily out, I hope. I don't understand why it didn't drain before when I opened the drain bolt over there. Wow, that's awesome. We somehow removed that. Somehow. And over here you can see, here is the locker lever over here moving this way to engage the front axle through this shaft over here. actually not that heavy. I think like 200 kilos maybe. So we got it out, and now the transmission. And now we unbolt these nuts and remove the transmission. So tight, I have to do that by hand. And we got the last bolt. It's moving. Look at this crack. So we will try. It might be free. Awesome! It's out. This shaft is really massive. Look at that. That's crazy. And heavy as hell. Okay, got it out, and now the tube. It is heavy. Look at how massive it is. Wow. This Tatra is getting shorter and shorter, I don't know why. Okay, next obviously is the tube. Then we will try this axle and that tube, and that would be it. First, there are still oil over here and here and here, so let's get rid of it. Okay, and another turtle. Really? Oh. Let's inject them. Now we are going to remove this tube. It's really important how the outputs from this axle actually look. If they look the same, like in this front axle, exactly the same, that would mean that I can take this tube, flip it this way, and if I mount it here, I will have the differential locker for the front axle. If I don't, I will have to get into the axles and play with that. And that's not what I would really like to do. I'm strong. I'm very strong. what I'm trying to do is not only disconnect this tube on these bolts, but using it as a leverage for disconnecting this part, this connection with these nuts. We had problem with the front axle before, and hopefully I think this will help to actually get rid of this axle. Okay, this one should be loose. It actually seems it's moving. Look at it. Okay, here's a crack on the top. So this one might be actually easy. Is there a crack on the bottom? Yeah, it is awesome. This tube is free, but we are going to use this leverage. So let's unbolt those nuts. This is so physically difficult. Okay, we got a crack. There is a crack. Awesome.
Pokračuj, ano. Krásně to ze spoda, krásně to prasklo.
I will unbolt them a little bit. And we will make that crack bigger. So we'll lose it a little bit more. Okay, and we'll do it one more time, and then we will start with disassembly. Okay, so we got both of these connections. That's so easy. Everybody can pull together a whole Tatra truck. If I can do it, it probably sits on the teeth. The differential and the output is locked. I need to spin a little bit these wheels to make it free, which means we will do that next time. So that's all for today. Stay tuned for the next episode because we will finish the Tatra. If you want more, go down below to Patreon, and you can also purchase the t-shirt, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.